Beautiful day, my wonderful scholars. Today, in our math virtual class, we shall be talking about subtraction of money with renaming. And basically, we're going to be solving word problems on subtraction of money with renaming. Just like we did last week on addition, we're going to be doing the reverse today. Okay? So we were able to add last week. This week, we are subtracting. Okay, now it's time to get our usual, our pencil, the book, and of course, get yourself a quiet place so you can make do with your brains to think along with me. Is that taken? Beautiful. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this class just like you did last week. Okay, let's move on. Our new word for this week is subtraction. Though I'll take you back to trade before subtraction, then lastly renaming. You're not new to trade and renaming. So subtraction is just about the new word you have for this week. Okay, subtraction has to do with taking away. It has to do with reducing. Okay, so basically these are the three new words we have this week: trade, subtraction, and renaming. Like I said, trade and renaming is not new to you. So we have subtraction added to it. So let's learn our poem before today's work. Are we ready? Subtraction poem. More at the top, no need to stop. More at the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same, zero is the game. Numbers the same, zero is the game. So let's get our example. Alexia went to the mall with 65 naira 62 kobo. She bought a chocolate for 23 naira 45 kobo. She had 65 naira 62 kobo and she bought bounty chocolate for 23 naira 45 kobo. Now the big question, how much did she have left? After paying the seller 23 naira 45 kobo, how much does she have with her? Now let's calculate. We have to arrange them first. The bigger number comes first, 65 naira 62 kobo, and underneath we have the smaller number, 23 naira 45 kobo. The keyword says left. How many do we have left? Which says you are subtracting. You are subtracting. So put your subtraction sign just by your number and ensure that it is well placed. When you're done with that, you also put your equal lines. Equal lines. So it's visible and you can put your answer in there. First, I have to subtract. Like I said, more at the top, no need to stop. But we have more at the floor, which is 5. So you have to go next door to 6, okay, and get 10 more. So I have 10 to add it to 2, which gives me 12. So 12 take away 5. What do you have? You have 7. Good. You count 12 and take away 5. You have 7. My number 6 has been taken out, so it's left with 5. 5 take away 4 is 1. Your, your point, you must put it 5 take away 3, you have 2. And 6 take away 2, you have 4. So you also pull down your Naira sign and make sure you don't forget that. If you're very sure that you have understood what we just did, you can as well solve these questions for me. They are very simple and easy to understand. Take your time and solve it correctly. Is that taken? Make sure you go back to your poem, learn them properly, and do not make a mistake. Is that taken? Beautiful. So we'll meet in our next class, and I hope you would be ready for me. Till we meet again, bye.